Ever wondered what the fastest animals in the world are? In the next few seconds, you'll discover the top 5 speedsters of the animal kingdom. At number 5, we have the lion, reaching speeds up to 50 miles per hour. Next, the pronghorn antelope takes the 4th spot, running at 55 miles per hour. Coming in third, the cheetah can sprint up to 60 to 70 miles per hour. Soaring to number 2, the golden eagle dives at 150 to 200 miles per hour. And finally, the fastest animal in the world, the peregrine falcon, dives at an incredible 240 miles per hour. Impressive, right? These amazing creatures showcase the incredible diversity of nature. Hit the like button if you found this interesting. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating facts about the animal kingdom.